Hi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn $50 easily, only by opening a new bank account. As you maybe know, Scotiabank has another trade brand, called Tangerine. Tangerine is a virtual bank, meaning it operates via the internet and doesn't have any physical branches. That way, their operation costs are lower, and we can enjoy better interest rates among other things. So, because the Tangerine Bank wants more customers, they have started a referral campaign among their clients, called Refer a Friend. To do so, each client has been assigned a special code, called Orange Key. The incentive is that you can earn a $50 bonus, deposited right into your new account, when you become a client using an Orange Key, and deposit at least $100 in your first Tangerine account. It pays to be a Tangerine client. Literally. I know, you came to this video to learn more about how to earn those $50 for free. I will show you that. Let's get started. The easiest, guided way to do all of this, is to click on the link to my page, that you can find below the video, where I will show you the 3 easy steps and the code you need to copy and paste. First, you want to open a new browser tab. And head over to the Tangerine online banking website. Type tangerine.ca and press enter. The browser will open the Tangerine online banking website. Click on Sign Me Up. And you will see a page like this one, the list of what you'll need to have ready in order to enroll. They ask for the usual personal data and also for the Orange Key. After reading all the information on the page, you can click on Let's Go. And here you can start to fill in all your personal information. This is the box where you can paste my Orange Key, the referral code that will give you the $50 bonus. You can copy my Orange Key from the information below this video or just click on the link to my page as I did here. I recommend you to copy the Orange Key from my site and paste it on the Tangerine sign-up page. After having filled all the fields, you can click on Next and continue the process. Remember that if you want to receive the sign-up bonus, you need to make the deposit in the next 30 days of signing up. If you use my Orange Key when opening your account, I will receive $50 too, just for referring you. Please take note that your $50 bonus will be paid into your non-registered Tangerine savings account or Tangerine checking account. If you don't have either account, you'll need to open one so that they can make the deposit automatically.